Hi everyone, on today's episode of Cook and Eat with me, we are making yam today. Yes, you heard me right. We are making yam and this is new yam. This is new yam, like new yam. I've done cutting the yam, pour it inside my pot. I'm about to cook it right now. Like, I can't wait to dig into this food. This has been long. This is my first time eating yam this year. Yeah, a lot of towns in Anambra or East have celebrated their New Year festival, and today I'm doing mine in my home. Hey, you need to come and join me and eat this. Yeah, after that, I'm about to fry my tomato egg sauce. Do you hear me right? Tomato egg sauce. Yeah, this is my chicken cube, my ginger powder. I love ginger a lot in my food. Then I'll pour in my oil. Yeah, this is cooking oil, or you call it groundnut oil, anyone. Yeah, I pour in my cooking oil, allow it to heat a bit. Then I pour in my onions. There is no stew or sauce without onions. Like, onions is I don't know how to explain it. So I allow the onions to cook a little bit. Then I pour in my tomatoes, my fresh tomatoes, like my fresh tomatoes. And my yam is done. I pour in my seasoning cube. Then I stir and cover the pot to cook for a while. Then my yam, after that I shake it, and my tomato is cooked already and already dried the water in it. Then I stir and stir and stir it. I wish you can perceive the aroma that is coming out from my kitchen. I bet I cannot bite my mouth. English is not my language. Hey, yes, I'm about to pour in the eggs. Yes, so I pour in my eggs. I don't turn my eggs immediately I pour it in. I cover the pot and allow it to cook a little bit for you to know. Form all this for me where egg they form. Where egg they form, I bet Muna leave me. Hey, after that I cover the pot and allow it to heat a little bit, just 2 to 3 minutes, and voila, my food is done. My yam and tomato egg sauce is done and dusted. Oh yeah. Hi guys, so I'm done making the yam with tomato egg sauce. Yeah, this is the new yam. It doesn't feel like a new yam. It tastes so good like old yam. So I'm done making this, so let's test it. Come with us. Let me take my first bite. Look at your food. Yummy. Bye.